Okay, welcome back guys on another YouTube video. This is FX Dave's your mentor. In today's video, we're gonna be analyzing the market with you guys. It's not the ANALYSE your boy. Hakim today is the one who's going to be analyzing the market with you. Now we're gonna be focusing on indexes, which is volatility 75 and volatility 75 1S. These are the two pairs we're gonna be focusing on. Now, without wasting time, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video because we want you to be the first to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, now without wasting time, let's start analyzing the market, guys. For the brokers we use, hit the link in the description. Sign up with binary.com or the reef in order to trade these indexes. Okay, let's jump into our charts now. We're going to start analyzing the market by identifying our major market key levels, or where the market has been making a lot of reversals. Okay, let's start by analyzing our support levels. So this was our support level here. We have this, we also have this level, we also have this support level here. I think you can see it as well, guys. So I don't want to make our chart so shabby. We also have that support level, we also have this resistance level, we also have this resistance level, we also have this. So at the moment the market is playing around this area. Now when you look at or focus on the market, you'll find we're putting our resistance and support levels. It will help us to consider where the market is making a lot of reversals. That means those areas there are a lot of either buying pressure from the buyers or selling pressure from the sellers. Going ahead, when you draw here our diagonal line, you'll find the market has been respecting this particular trend line in a way of being in a downtrend. That means whenever the market was coming to the upside, which is our resistance level, it wasn't breaking this trend line. So the market was making a lower high and lower low, lower high and lower low, lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high. So that means we were in a little bit downtrend from here up to here. We were in a little bit downtrend. Now here the trend changed because the market came to the downside. It made a reversal pattern, which is a double bottom. Now after the market making a reversal pattern, that means this pattern managed to push the market to the upside. In a way, the market started making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Now this broken low high came back, this broken high, the market came back and retested this broken high and it became a higher low. Now that is a clear indicator that the market reversed or changed the trend. Okay, now putting that aside, if I'm trying to see or connect our trend lines, I can see the market made a falling wedge, which is also one of the reversal patterns which change the trend. So when you try to connect my trend lines properly, you can clearly see that the market had a falling wedge in the big picture. So the market had a falling wedge. The falling wedge was broken and retested, and the price shot all the way to the upside. So when it came back here, we had a double top double top formation, where the market also, now sellers jumped in at this particular level. Now the market pushed down to the backside, to the downside, making a double top. So these double tops, like you say, we have reversal patterns and candlestick patterns. Now reversal patterns, these are patterns which also change a trend. So these double tops change the trend, whereby the market broke to the downside. Then after dropping, so this was our resistance level, and this where the market stopped and started buying, this was our support level. So we also have here a bullish engulfing candle, which indicated a lot of pressure from the buyers. So the market pushed back to the upside. Now let's go back and analyze a clear picture overall where you are heading. Now in overall picture, when I scroll down to the hour 4 time frame, you will see that before this market pushing to the upside, we have a little bit downtrend in an uptrend. Now this is a trending trend. So we had a little bit downtrend where the market was making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Now connecting this recently lower highs and lower lows, you will see that we had a little bit flag, or it can be a falling wedge, it can be a flag in an uptrend. So this is a clear indicator that the price is still moving to the upside. I don't know whether we are together, guys. This is a clear indicator the price is still moving to the upside, because when you look at our trend here, you see this trend, the market is making higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, higher highs and higher lows. Now at the moment we are in an uptrend. Now if you are a trader and you want to profit on this market, that means we shall be looking for only buy entries on this market. We shall not be scalping these sell entries. Now if you were on this market before, like 2 days back, here was a pattern which was supposed to be spotted by you and you take an advantage on it. So why? This falling wedge was broken and retested, as you can see. The price broke this falling wedge, came back, retested, and then shot all the way to the upside. Going ahead, I see the market also made or gave us a little bit symmetrical triangle, which also helped it to continue to the upside. So that's what I told you, that when you are focusing on 75 at the moment, you must be looking for buying entries only, because we're expecting the market, when you come back to the daily time frame, we're expecting the market to come all the way to this TP of this falling wedge. Why? We are in an uptrend. So that was 75. Now let's jump in and see what we have on 75 1S. We'll start with the daily time frame. Now when you focus on the daily time frame, you will see this pair is in a long run or in a deep downtrend. Okay. Now the first thing we do is spotting our major market key levels, where we see so many reversals. That is our major market key level. Let me try to zoom out. We also have this level. We also have this level. And we also have this. Now I'm catering for this because this was the lowest low of this pair. So we don't have any prices below this particular exchange rate. Now this is the lowest low of this pair. Now, after we spotting our major market key levels, the next thing is what we do is connecting our recently broken resistance levels to see which opportunities did we miss on this particular pair. Now we're connecting the recent higher lows and the recent lower highs and lower lows. I think you see the price broken upside here, breaking the lower highs to make the new higher highs. So what does this mean? This means is when you look at the 4-hour time frame, in the 4-hour time frame, you'll find the market is trying to make the higher highs and the higher lows. Now, making this video to be a little bit short, not long. When the market is making the higher highs and the higher lows, you'll find it will be respecting a little bit uptrend, whereby we shall be expecting the market to at least give us higher highs and higher lows, because we have already spot our trend that we are in a downtrend, but at the moment we are in a little bit or intermediate uptrend, because this was our downtrend. The market was making low highs and low lows, low highs and low lows. Now the price broke upside to break these lower highs. Now the market made a lower low. So what does this mean? If the market has made the lower lows and the lower highs, we shall be looking for only buying opportunities in the market. Now, when the market breaks these higher lows or the higher highs, if I try to zoom in, you see we had, let me also get that for this support. So we had a falling wedge. All these are reversal patterns in the market. Now let me try to spot all the patterns we missed on this particular pair. You can see we had here a little bit flag. We had a little bit flag here. We also had a little bit support trend line where the market respected it. So this is a rising wedge in an uptrend. So we had our rising wedge in an uptrend, whereby the market came here. This was our first touch, second touch, third touch. The price pushed to the upside, it came back here. This was our fourth touch, giving us a candlestick pattern, which is a bullish engulfing candle. Also the price pushed all the way to the upside. Now I can see a little bit retracement from the price, which means the market may be coming back to retest this recently broken resistance. Now it's a support level. Let me try to highlight it. So this was a recently broken resistance. Now when the resistance is broken, it becomes a support. When the support is broken, it becomes a resistance level. Now if you are focusing on 75 on S at the moment, we are looking for buying entries. Now the market is in a little bit consolidation. Let me try to scale down the lower time frame. We have a little bit consolidation. If this market is still pushing to the upside, let's try to wait for this particular pattern to be broken. It is like a flag. So if this pattern is broken, let me say if the price tries to come here, breaks out or retest, we shall be looking for buying opportunities to the upside. Only if now this pattern of ours will be invalid if the price tends to break this support level, coming back to the downside. After, we shall be expecting a retest from this broken level, pushing the price to the downside. So that's what is going to make our pattern to be invalid. But at the moment, those who are focusing on 731 is we are in a little bit uptrend. So you must be looking for buying opportunities only. That's what we wanted to share with you guys in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found valuable information from it. Plus, hitting the links in the description. Join our free Telegram group where we upload or send out free signals in the week about all instruments traded in the forex market. Plus, following us on our social media platforms. All the links are down in the description. We'll meet in another video, guys. Peace out.